This 2024 Coachmen Leprechaun 298 kilobytes Ford 450 is a Class C RV. It is located in Wabash, in 46,992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2024 Coachmen Leprechaun 298 kilobytes Ford 450 is built on a Ford 450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.